Now,
Thank you.
we'll go to Article 49, Neonicotinoid Prohibition on Town Land. Ms. Grimwood.
So I'm Sarah Grimwood and I'm the chair of the Pollinator Health Advisory Committee.
It's coming.
Do I control or just ask for it to be moved on? You control? Do I point it over there? Okay. Pollinators, which include bees, butterflies, wasps, moths, beetles, flies, birds and bats, provide essential pollination for 3/4 of our major food crops. Pollinators are at risk from a number of factors, including climate change, habitat loss, pesticides and diseases. In 2018, the Pollinator Health Advisory Committee was formed to examine the issues and concerns surrounding the use of neonicotinoids. These are a class of neuroactive insecticides chemically similar to nicotine. Neonicotinoids, or neonics, were introduced to the United States in the mid-1990s. They quickly became widely used since they're reportedly safe for humans and animals. They act systemically, which means that they become distributed throughout the plant into its stem, leaves, nectar, pollen, vegetables, and fruit. Unless a farmer grows organically, it's almost 100% likely that they will be using neonic-coated seed for many crops like corn and squash. Only about 5% of the neonic is taken up into the plant and the rest remains in the soil. Since neonics can have a half-life of up to 3 years, they can accumulate in the soil and drift into rivers, lakes and puddles where they can affect aquatic invertebrates. In addition, pollinator-friendly plants grown nearby or in a field which previously contained a neonic-treated crop can also become contaminated. A large body of evidence demonstrates that neonics present a major risk to bee pollinators. They can cause direct mortality at very low doses, and chronic low exposure can affect their ability to forage, pollinate, and reproduce. As a result of these findings, neonics have been banned in the European Union. The persistent nature and high use of neonics means that we are continuously exposed to them. In fact, a Harvard research study showed that nearly 3/4 of all pollen and honey tested from hives across Massachusetts contained at least one detectable neonic. We therefore recommend that the town votes to ensure that any new leases or license agreements for agricultural or retail use on town-owned land will prohibit the use of neonics.
Thank you very much, Sarah. Any questions from the Select Board? Any questions from the audience? Thank you very much.